Hey guys, and happy Saturday. So today is the So You Think You Can Craft challenge, and the item is craft sticks. So I am starting off with these giant craft sticks. These are the ones you get from Walmart, or at least that's where I get them from. And I'm just going to lay them down and kind of make a fence looking thing. Now, this isn't anything new, but I'm going to make something really cute and really simple. And I'm going to put 8 across, and then once I am done laying those like that, I'm just going to kind of make sure that they're even. And I was looking for my ruler, I couldn't find it, so I just grabbed another another one of the craft sticks just to make sure it was as even as possible. And then I'm going to go ahead and grab another one of the craft sticks, and I'm just going to hot glue one across the top and one across the bottom to hold them all together. And that does hold them pretty well. I mean, everything stays in place and everything, stays where it's supposed to. But what I'm going to do afterwards is I'm just going to cut another one of the craft sticks in half, and I'm going to glue it along, glue a couple pieces on the back just to make sure everything stays in place and nothing comes apart and nothing's moving around when you're trying to use what you make. And that's just something that I do whenever I'm working with craft sticks, just to make sure, like I said, that everything kind of stays in place and nothing falls apart, because it's just sticks and glue. So sometimes, if you move them the wrong way, they tend to come apart. So I was just going to put one more across it, but I didn't want the little pieces to kind of be hanging off the side. So like I said, I cut one in half, and then I just went ahead and glued 2 pieces kind of along the back just to hold everything together. All right, so once that's done, you flip it over, just kind of make sure everything is sturdy and in place. And then I have all this stuff here that I kind of pulled out. Wasn't sure what I wanted to do, and then I decided to go ahead and make like a little note board. And I found these little wood letters and these wood, okay, so I found these wood clips at Target Dollar Spot quite a few years ago. I bought a few of them on clearance, and I've just had them forever, and I've just been using them, throughout the years. And I think this is like my last little batch of them. And then I found these wood letters, these little mini wood alphabet letters at a thrift store. They were 50 cents, and they were all like stapled together, and they spell out notes. So I just thought that'd be cute to kind of put them on there and make, like I said, a little note board. So I'm going to go ahead, take the letters out, and I couldn't decide whether I wanted to stain this or paint it. I decided to go with just the natural wood for the little board, and then I went ahead and I painted, or colored in the letters and all the little embellishments just so that those would stick out. So I went ahead and did that, and I just used some acrylic paint pens and um, painted those in. I do have the link to the paint pens in my description box. I really like them. I've had them for a while. I bought them on Amazon, and they work great. They come, I believe, in either a pack of 10 or 12. And like I said, they work great. They're nice and thick. They don't take you don't have to put a bunch of different coats on there. So I really like them. And then I have these little wood shaped parts. I have tons of small wood shapes, and I mean, I get them whenever I see them, like on clearance or anything like that. I grab them just, to have them. And then I have this ribbon that I found at the Dollar Tree, and I wanted to put it on there. It wasn't really kind of doing it for me, so I decided not to use it. But I really wanted it on there, but I think I have a different idea for that. So I'm definitely gonna use it, just not today. So then here's the acrylic paint pens, and like I said, they're great. They don't take, they got great coverage, and I really like them. So they will be in the description box, like I said. And I'm just gonna go ahead, paint them. I went with neutral colors. I'm doing black and white, so I'm gonna do the hearts in black to match the little hearts on the clip. And then I'm going to do the letters in white. Sorry, I'm off the, not on screen there, but I'm just painting them. And like I said, they're really, really great coverage. So they only took one coat. And then I was looking for somewhere to set it to dry, and I didn't have anything on there. So I just took one of the little cardboards from the letter packages there. Like I said, just went ahead, painted those, put them off to the side to dry. And then I did the letters in white, and I was going to go with like some colors. So obviously you can do whatever it is you want to do. You can paint them whatever colors you want. If you don't have wood letters, you can use stickers, or if you have good handwriting, which I don't, you can write it on there. I mean, whatever, whatever it is that you have on hand. Don't go out and buy anything, special for this. This is where I was kind of deciding whether I wanted to do the letters in white or black. So I kind of did one of each just to see what I wanted to do. And I decided to go with white because I thought it kind of stuck out a little bit better. So I went ahead, used the same acrylic paint pen in white, and painted those in white. Again, you can do whatever colors you want. You can get stickers. You can get stickers anywhere from the Dollar Tree, Walmart, anything like that. And again, if you have good handwriting, that's definitely a nice place. You can even write love notes if you wanted to be more Valentine's themed, or if you wanted to put mail or anything like that. You can customize it, and you can put, if you want it to be in somebody's room, you can put like their name on there, anything like that. Put it in somebody's office. So, that'll work out great. But I'm going to go ahead, paint these, and then I will be right back. All right, and then the next thing that I'm going to do is just hot glue all of the little wooden clips onto the board there. I'm not going to show you all of them, but I did just put a little dab of hot glue and glue those on there. And then the next thing that I'm going to do is just go ahead and glue the hearts on the top and the letters up there to spell out notes. And again, I'm just using hot glue, making sure I kind of clean up any of the hot glue that kind of squishes out of the sides there, because you don't want that mess on there. So I'm just going to go ahead, glue those on there. And then I'm going to go ahead and talk about the challenge for today. It is the So You Think You Can Craft challenge that I host every month. And every month we have a different item that you have to use to create a craft. This month, my co-host is I Put the O in Mom, and I will have her link in my description box along with the playlist link. Be sure to head over there, check out her channel, show her some love, hit that playlist, and check out what everybody else did with their craft sticks. And like I said, I host this every month, so definitely, check out, make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you know when the next challenge is coming up and what we're going to be using. And thank you so much for co-hosting with me. And like I said, make sure you check out her channel because she is amazing and you don't want to miss out on her content. So again, I just went ahead, glued all the letters on here. And then once I was done doing that, it was pretty much done. The only thing that I have to finish doing is go ahead and put a hanger on there, which I always forget to do. So I'm going to go ahead and finish the letters, and then I'll put that hanger on there. And I'm just using this piece of ribbon here. I'm going to put a little bead of hot glue on the back of it and then glue that on there. And I'll glue it to, obviously to both sides. And then once I'm done doing that, I'm just going to I cut up a couple of smaller craft sticks, and I'm just going to use that just to reinforce it, just to make sure, nothing comes apart when it's hanging. And then I'm calling it done. I think it turned out really cute. It's really simple, and I think it would make a really cute gift for somebody's office or somebody's room. Definitely cute for Valentine's Day. If you wanted to put, like I said, love notes on there, and then you just clip on some cute little, messages on there, and this is going to be perfect. And of course, you can make it as big or as small as you want. If you wanted to use like paint, the painter's stir sticks, make it even bigger, or get a piece of wood and just put some clips on there, it'd be really cute. And this is how it turned out, and I hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, be blessed and be the reason someone smiles. Bye.